Hey, it's Paige here with Dine and Dash. My belly's a grumbling, my hunger pains are back, and it's time to eat. Let's go check out a new restaurant. Welcome to Jaleo. This culinary masterpiece by Chef José Andrés is bringing the vibrant flavors of Spain to the heart of Disney Springs. Step inside this lively, inviting space where its bold flavors and authentic Spanish cuisine take center stage. And from the moment you sit down, you are going to have an unforgettable culinary journey. Everything is inspired by Spain, and you can enjoy specialty cocktails, tapas, you name it, Jaleo has it for you. So let's dive in. And you're not going to want to miss out on the jamón ibérico. It is ham cured for years, and it achieves this deliciously moist and rich flavor. Every day at Jaleo, it's like a celebration of Spain's rich culinary traditions, made with fresh, high-quality ingredients crafted with love by their talented chefs. We didn't forget the most iconic thing here at Jaleo, which is the paella. So let's follow along with Chef Ricardo and see how he makes this delicious chicken paella. Whether you're here for a light bite or a full feast, Jaleo offers an experience like no other. A celebration of Spain, culture, cuisine in the heart of Disney Springs. If we made you hungry during this video, please give us a thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe for more foodie content. And like always, we pay the check and leave you the tips. Ready to taste Spain? Come visit Jaleo and discover the magic of authentic Spanish dining. Thanks for watching, stay hungry, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!